Hello again, friends.
Hi.
This is another video disclaimer for the travel vlogs. If you follow us on Snapchat, you are going to see our snaps again. If that bothers you, we're not really sorry. The vlogs are made up of both of our Snapchats, both of our videos, and pictures.
Yes.
I couldn't think of that word. That we took with our other cameras, and I have pieced them all together, Frankenstein them, if you will, into a chronological vlog of the day. Yay. So if you're Snapchatters, some of this you've seen, but hopefully you'll enjoy seeing it again.
Yeah, we laughed.
We're laughing a lot.
Yes.
So just wanted to let you know you might see doubles. Back to the show.
So it's going to be 74, sunny, gorgeous. Cathy and I are going to do whatever we want today, and that includes the beach. So I'm jumping in the shower. We're going to get ready and head out.
Good morning, friends. Got the bedhead hair, and I don't care. Okay, today is pretty much our free day. Kim and I totally slept in, and now I need to go forage for clothes, which are in the van, because I didn't bring in enough for. So here is the state of the van after Kim cleaned up a little bit. We do need to find a way to bring one of the seats up because we have a special guest that we're going to pick up tomorrow morning. But for now, I need to dig through here and find my clothes. Okay, showered, a little bit fresh and clean. Now to get dressed. Kim's already outside soaking up the sun.
Ooh, sun's in my eyes, catching some rays. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just sitting out front here waiting for Cathy to get ready to head to the beach, but I have a fun game. Let's me and you play Would You Rather. Would you rather be in a cold climate doing something you don't like called work, or would you rather be in Florida getting some sun? Okay, so we're off to the beach. Woohoo! Cathy, woohoo! We gotta make some stops first, but beautiful Sunday today. Yay! So typical Kim and Cathy, as soon as I finish my snap, she's like, it's not Sunday. I'm sorry, let me correct that. Sunny day.
We're finally here. It is beach day and it's beautiful. Wish all of you could be here to enjoy it with us. Kim went to go put on some more appropriate attire. Happy feet in the sand.
We're at the beach. It's gorgeous today.
Okay, what is making these little holes? Something is digging out, but what? Happy toes in the ocean. There she is, catching rays in our little camp. Beach is pretty quiet today. He made a new friend, making himself at home in my chair. She's got another one close by. She's eating candy.
This is what it's been all about. Toes in the sand. Yay! I can't find him in there. Where's my little friend? Little friend, where are you? Look at this little scavenger waiting for some food from me. Shoo!
Kim thought it was a good idea to give some bread to the birds. Now we have this for an entourage. There she goes.
spent about an hour, hour and a half at the beach. Yay! And now we're gonna go shop. Okay, so we are driving a little ways away. We're challenged with something, so we gotta go find it. But on the way, we're gonna look for a dead boar. When we came up yesterday with my family, we saw it at the side of the road, and I asked my uncles what it was, and they said there's a lot of wild boar up here. So one must have dead pig, conch shell, boiled peanuts. That's our list that we're looking for.
Okay, we're batting zero on the peanuts and the dead boar. But I found something pink. Yes, Michelle, the flamingo is mooning you because I can't get over the fence.
Mark, there's the shell I'm bringing home for you, buddy. Have fun. Okay, I went here to do some shopping. So fun.
We are in roadside tourist trap, and Kim's been shopping. She'll show you what she got. There's some really cool stuff.
This is what I should buy my nephew. I'm sure my brother wouldn't mind.
Okay, a little bit of a change in plans. I am back on the road and Kim is staying with her aunt and uncle. I'm sure she will continue her Snapchat story and I am continuing mine, and we will meet up again. Thelma and Louise are not going to be apart for long. However, there may be a new person in the mix in a couple hours. Just realized the beach really did a number on my hair. It's kind of scary. Okay, I lost my Thelma, and check out what I did. Cut myself with the knife in our food bag. So I found a hotel for us, meaning not Kim, because she's still with her aunts. Want to see who my surprise is? Look who's here! It's Eddie! We don't see each other, in Minnesota, so we have to come to Florida to have a date night.
Came to Florida just to hang out.
You might be wondering how I cut myself. Well, here is the beach bag. In the beach bag was this bag of plastic utensils and 2 sharp knives. So they were positioned in the bag, so the blade popped out right here. And as I was walking up the stairs to our hotel room, this was cutting into my leg. Yes, I felt it, but I didn't know what. And I find it ironic that it was right at the point of, if friends were flowers, I'd pick you. And that's where it stabbed me. So, hey, such are the adventures of Cathy in everyday life. It doesn't matter if I'm on a trip. So I have 3 cuts on my leg. So I'm going to chill for a minute, then take a shower, and it looks like I got a little sun, a little color. Then it'll be to bed.
Well, today was fun, crazy. Cathy actually left to go meet Eddie, so I'm still here with my aunts and uncles, and I'll see Cathy Friday. We're hoping they will drive me down to Tarpon Springs, and I can do some more sightseeing there, catch up with Cathy, and then come back here.
So it was another fun day again, so I'll see Cathy soon. It's 8:21, super early, but I'm so tired. I need to get some sleep so I can get up early again.
Okay, showered, clean, fresh, cuts all cleaned up, not gonna bleed on the bed, and Eddie's are snoring, so I'm going to watch some Little Women Atlanta because I don't have cable at home. And then snore away on my own. A wonderful day, and tomorrow will be just as fab. Good night, friends.